said that Iran is in the top 5 drone powers in the world. Now, do you know where they got the drone technology?
Well, I'd say us. They were forced landing of one of our drones to be about 4 or 5 years ago at this point.
They took control. They electronically took control of one of our drones and brought it down and then reversed engineered it. But the fact that they were able to electronically seize control of the drone and fly it to the ground and make a soft landing, that was pretty amazing in itself.
Yeah, one thing that our viewers and listeners need to understand about this situation with Iran is we're not dealing with some sort of backwoods, power that you're barely out of the Stone Age. Iran is capable of long-range missile strikes. They have a formidable Navy presence there in the Strait.
Iranian Guard is no joke.